This Torah class is brought to you by TorahAnytime.com.
Rabbi, we now begin the week in preparation of the Holy Yom Tov of Pesach, Haba Aleinu L'Tova. We know one of the central elements of the Haggadah, the question of the Manishtana, Halayla Hazemi Kol Halaylos. It's very curious because where exactly is the answer? What precisely is the answer to the question? Manishtana, Halayla Hazemi Kol Halaylos. It's an amazing thing. If you look in the Sefer of the Ramami Panoi, Yoinas Elem, the Kitzer Yoinas Elem, Ois, he tells us an amazing Gematriya that Kahal 135 is Gematriya 3 times Ma. On Pesach, there were 3 different chaburos that went into Makar of the Korban Pesach. Kol Kahal Adas Yisrael, 3 times Ma. What is the meaning over here? Rav Moshe Shapiro in the Sefer Afikei Mayim brings an electrifying Gematriya. Matza, we know, is called Nahama de Mehemanusa, the bread of Emunah. Why is it the bread of Emunah? Certainly the Gemara tells us about the matzah. It's lechem sha'onim alav dvarim harbe. We speak a lot about the matzah. What exactly is the Emunah of the matzah? And Rav Moshe Shapiro brings an incredible remez. Matzah is also 135. What's 135? 3 times ma. What's 3 times ma? Kineged dalid bonim dibra Torah. Echad chacham, v'echad rasha, v'echad tam, v'echad she'eno yodea l'shayol. Why is matzah only 3 times ma? Well, chacham mahu aimer, maha edes achul g'ma mishpatim. The chacham asks ma. Rasha mahu aimer, maha edes. The rasha asks ma. Tam mahu aimer. Mazois, the Tom asks Ma. B'she'eno yodea lishal ad Pesach loi. The she'eno yodea lishal does not ask Ma. Matzah is Gematriya 3 times Ma, meaning Matzah is the answer to the 3 Ma's. The question of the Chacham, the question of the Rasha, and the question of the she'eno yodea lishal. The answer is, we don't need to philosophize, and we don't need to explain, just internalize and integrate and consume the matzah. The matzah will be digested and reconstituted, and the emunah will now flow through your bloodstream. Matzah is 3 times ma. Matzah is the answer to all the questions. That is why matzah is Gematriya 135, 3 times ma. The matzah itself is the answer to the question. An incredible remez brought in the Sefer Afikei Mayim on Pesach, page Kuf, Ayin Beis. I wish everyone a Chag Kosher V'Sameach, Agut Tevach.
You've just experienced another Torah class brought to you by TorahAnytime.com.